Hey everyone, I'm CJ Baker from Tight Assets Fitness Training.
I'm Nancy from Tight Assets.
And today we're going through the glute bridge. Now last week we gave you a teaser. This week we go through it step by step. All right, the first thing we want to do is get the proper setup. So I have Nancy here on her back. Nancy, you're going to put your palms up, okay? And this prevents her from cheating by pushing her hands into the floor. Okay. Next, the heels are going to be fairly close to the butt. Okay. Now, Nancy, bring them forward. Let's show how to do it wrong. Bring them forward a little bit more. Okay. If your feet are too far from your hips, it's pretty much all hamstrings from there. Your glutes don't have to do anything. And because we're doing this as a glute exercise, we want the feet fairly close to the glutes. So, bring it back up. Okay. And generally, what I tell people to do is raise the toes up off the floor and drive their heels into the floor. And what this does is it keeps them from using their quads. If their feet are flat and pushing through the toes, generally the quads tend to come into use, and we don't want that. We want this primarily glutes and hams. So raising the toes off the floor accomplishes that. Right? Now, if Nancy does this, she's going to pretend there's a string tied to her knee, and it's pulling the knees forward. Okay? So go ahead, Nancy. Okay? Driving the knees forward, engaging the glutes at the top. Do a few. So heels dug in, knees driving forward, squeezing the glutes at the top. Good. Relax for a second. Okay. Now, the way to do this incorrectly is to extend through the low back. So Nancy, do a few bad ones and let them see. Right? So you can see she's extending past where the hips are flush and extending into the lower back. Okay, that's it. Okay. So if you're doing this, or if you're a trainer working with one of your clients, watch for that and make sure they aren't extending through the low back. Okay. All right, so let's do maybe 3 more correctly. Okay. Good. All right.
And that's the glute bridge. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And remember, we're a mobile fitness company. We will come to you. So if you want to learn stuff like this in the comfort of your own home, go to our website, www.tightassets.ca, and hit the Start Training Now button.